and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 40-second program. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. Display table with the use of cell spacing. The cell spacing attribute specifies the space in pixels between the cell space and cell content. So we'll start with HTML tag, head tag, title, and we'll end the title tag. Now we'll end head tag, body tag. We'll start body tag and h1 tag. Now we'll end h1 tag. Now table border, and we'll write here cell spacing equals to 10. Now tr tag, th, we'll end th tag. And here we'll write savings. Now we'll end tr tag, and once again we'll start. Here we'll write month name, which is May. And here we'll write the saving. And now we'll end tr tag, body tag, table tag, and HTML tag. So now we'll save it with the extension HTML and in all files. So now let us check the output. So this is the basic output of cell spacing, which shows the space cell spacing. Once again we'll check the output of cell padding so we can see the difference. Cell padding and cell spacing. So here you can see in cell padding that in May column there is more space. In cell padding there is change in pixels between the cell wall and cell content, and in cell spacing there is change in pixels between the cell space and cell content. So here there is less space and here more space. So this is the basic difference of cell spacing and cell padding. And don't forget to check the text in description, which makes the base clear and easy to understand the content.